Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, what the market done for you, as we tell you yesterday, what did I told you in the last video? You can even go back to it. I told you today is Monday, and the market is going to do the reverse what it's been doing all the past days, and that's what it's doing exactly here, guys. Look at it. It's going up. Should you enter now? Not yet, guys, because Monday I tell it to you. I've been saying that now more than 2 months, guys. I've been telling you every time that market he doing the same thing. He going back, then he will continue down in Tuesday, guys. Or else, if it doesn't come and break for us that level, we are not going to enter, guys. And as you see down here, the volume for the last past days, there is no big volume, guys. There is a big move coming, guys. We don't know when, but there is a big move is coming. And what you see in here, I showed you that one before, but now is very, very, very clear, guys. Is a head and shoulder now. Look at it. If you come here and you change it from candle to line like that, what you seeing? Look at it now. Let's zoom it a little bit like that. What you seeing, guys? Look, that one here, the first shoulder, that one here, the head, and that one here, the second shoulder, guys. It's very clear. You see it or not? Very, 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 very clear here, guys. What the market doing here? Look at it. He came to that neckline here. He couldn't break it, guys. So now if it's breaking, what you need to do? You came here to that level here, to that one, you calculating from here to here, and in the place where it's going to break, you make it like that. It's going to go till here, till that zone here, that last peak here, as you see it, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Picture is very clear in front of you, guys. Let's go back now to the candlesticks, and here what did I told you got? I told you got here a trend line like that. The market, it came to it, it touched it here, and now it's showing here a rejection, guys. Should you enter? Not yet, guys. Not yet, guys. I think the Bitcoin it will go till here, till that level here. Look at it here, that one here, and that one is going to be the top of our channel, guys. If me I came here and I show you like that, did you see it or not? It will go till here, touch for us that level here, and after that maybe it's going to drop to down again. So now should you buy, my friend? No, my friend, not yet. It's still early, because that the trend line us we're looking at that one here. You see it or not? Might that one to go to touch that trend line here, then after that to drop again, guys. So us, as we show you in the previous videos, in the monthly candle, in the weekly candle, us we still in a downtrend, guys. And the big picture you get it from bigger time frames, guys, not in smaller time frames. Smaller time frames is just correction or something like that, but bigger time frames they telling you us we still in a downtrend, guys. There is no buying yet, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. By the way, you watching us, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day 2 videos. So if you are interested and you want to be updated every day about the market, what it's doing, you can join us. It's free, my friend. You don't need to pay nothing. It's just a red button down. Click at it. It will become gray. Subscribe it. Next to it, a bell. Turn it to all. So like that, when we put in a new video, you're going to get it, my friend. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let me show you the news who came today, guys, to know now even about the fundamental what it's doing. Here we are, guys, that our page web, as you see it, the news which is came today, guys. Look at it. Not the news which is came today. And today what it came the ISM manufacturing of USA, and what it indicating to you here. Look at it. It came 50.9, guys. The previous one, it used to be 52.8, guys. What that indicating to you, guys? It's indicating the manufacturing of USA is getting slower, guys. If it drop below 50, is another story, guys. That's when you are in a recession. So now what it's indicating, economic of USA is getting slower and slower, or manufacturing of USA, they losing their jobs. Everything is too clear, guys. UK one, as you see it here, what it's indicating to you here, you are in a recession, guys. And that's what UK it's saying. It's getting now going up. It's growing a little bit compared to the previous month. As you see it, previous month it used to be 47.3. This month it came 48.4. That's when it's growing, but not yet go above the 50 level, guys. So UK they are in recession. USA, they are in the door, as you see it. It's still for them next month, maybe they are going to be in the recession, guys. And that ISM is a university, they making the study to make it live for people, or they making the data live for you. And here, guys, what you see in here in our friend, where is the VIX? Look at it. What it doing today? $100. The VIX today, it's falling down. Between the 2 days, it fall minus 1.57, guys. Yes, it's getting slower down, but it's still above 30, guys. You see it or no? Should you buy now? Not yet, guys. It's still a lot of scariness in the market, guys. The VIX, it need to be below 20, guys. Above 30 is too much, guys. Everything is too clear. And here, what it's saying here. Look at US stocks, guys, what they saying. Today is Monday, guys. If you're going now to CNBC or Bloomberg, you're going to find them, oh, a green day, a blah, blah, blah. There is nothing of that. Today, that the market makers, they're doing the job of them. And today, the opening of the weekly candle, guys. It's always doing the reverse, what the market been doing all the whole week. Then, tomorrow, is going to go back to the nature. Everything is too clear, guys. Now, what you seeing? You see in the US stocks, and even the Bitcoin is going up, and US dollar, it's falling. That just a trap, guys. That's the trap of market makers. That's how it's telling you, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So let's go back now to the chart to see what is it there, guys. Here in the chart, guys, as you see it, first we're talking at the Bitcoin, it tried to break in for us that level here. So now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it fell down here. Now it's going back to touch that wall here. Let's see if it's going to give us here a high here. To break that last high here, or from here is going to drop again, guys. For long term, also we're still in a downtrend, guys. There is nothing changed yet. It might from here to keep to touch that white one here, but after that is going to drop. And as I tell you in the last video, guys, you are too close, but it's not yet. You are very close, guys, but it's not yet. The moment of truth, it's coming, guys, but it's not yet. Everything is too clear, guys. It's good to see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, I know you are a subscriber to our channel. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it, my friend. Smashing that like button and writing for us down a comment, helping us, guys. Helping us, guys, to growing up more that channel. Because without you, we can't grow up. Always, if you don't want us to put in more videos, that's another story. You done it, my friend? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, what picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, if you remember what me I told you. I told you have here a very clear divergence. Yes. And here you have another divergence, guys, here. Should you buy, guys? Not yet. That's what me I'm telling you, guys. Not yet. Why? You are in a very stronger level, guys. Yes. That one here, is it at the oversold? The third condition, what is it? The price action. Where is the price action we have here? Yes, we have here a head and shoulder here. That if you want to go from here till that last high here. But if you want to enter for long term till 30K or something, it needs to come to break for us that level here. It came and break in here. I am the first person I'm going to tell you enter long, guys. I am the first person I'm going to tell you that. That way me I told you every time, guys, and I remind you, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So when us we tell you a signal, you're going to be the first one who get notified, my friend. You done it? Welcome to our family, guys. So now here in our indicator, it's saying it's still early, guys. Now let's go into see what Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, what did I told you before? In the previous videos, what did I told you here about those levels here and everything? I told you, you got here a triangle like that. Yes or no? And like that. Look what the Bitcoin done. It tried to push down the volume down. There is no volume, guys. Look at it. It's been at the last 2 days. There is no volume to sell. And today in Monday, what's it showing here? It's zoomed it for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. What you see in here, guys. Look at the last days, what the volume been doing here. Look, there is no volume. It used to be here. And now what's it showing here? In that level where we are. What's it showing there? The greens, they came back, guys. For Mr. Green, it came back. When the sellers, they came back alive, guys. Should you buy now? Not yet, my friend. Not yet. It's still early. And look here what the Bitcoin tried to give you here. Look here. It tried to give you here a double top, guys. Yes or no? Now, if it came here and breaking the 200, you enter long, guys. Take profit of you. It needs to be here at that last high, my friend. That one. Everything is too clear. And here, you got that trend line, that one. Actually, the Bitcoin now is it in it. Here, if it's breaking high, guys, you enter long. We're going to tell us if you need to enter long or no is our indicator, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. And another thing, what we said before. We said you got here 2 levels, guys, like that. That's what also we said. And if you remember the conditions of us, what also we said, 5 times up, 5 times down. Then we are going to see where it's going to break. Now look at it. It came down here. It touched down. So he couldn't break down. Now it's going back up. And now you are in the top one, guys. If it doesn't break that level here, don't enter, guys. If it doesn't break here, don't enter. It's still early, guys, because you are in a consolidation level, guys. And may I tell it that to you? I told you the market structure, it's always working like that. Downtrend or uptrend is the same. Arresting. Then after that, either another downtrend or going up. You can just change it if it's an uptrend. Now what that level here, that one here, indicating to you, guys. It's indicating to you you are in a resting level, guys. Now there is nothing to do, guys. You need to wait in the market to go out from that resting level here, guys. Forget about what the others they telling you, guys, online, because majority of them, they never ever trade, guys. Majority of them, they never ever trade. Everything is too clear, guys. So let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. He came down here to the bear control. He couldn't stay there, as you see it. Now here it go back up to the bull control. And may I tell that to you before? I told you big whales, they said they are not going to sell. So when it came here to that level here, as you see it, there is no sellers to leave the Bitcoin down. Also now we are in a very, very, very historical moment, guys. The Bitcoin, it used to be correlated to the Nasdaq, and I show you that before. Now the Bitcoin, you try to finish it is partners with the Nasdaq, and that if it happen is going to be the best scenario happening to the Bitcoin, guys. That man, those central banks, they don't got any control at the Bitcoin, guys. So let's wait in the coming days, but it's still very early, guys. Let's wait in the coming days what they are going to bring to us. Then we're going to make a decision based on that, guys. By the way, my friend, did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment is like that you're helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. That one, guys, as you see it, came here. We're so close, but not yet, guys. So should you buy now? I don't think so, guys, because if you bring in here, look, if you bring in like that a line, you see here that line also we bring in every time it used to be touched, it rejected, guys, and now it came to it touch it here. So now should you buy, guys? Unless if it came at breaking for us that level here. If it's breaking for us that level here and the 200, we will enter long, guys. Take profit where it's going to be here at the last high, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you, guys, and to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes, and here in 30 minutes, what did I told in the previous videos, guys? Been talking that near to 1 week, guys. What did I been telling you here? Here in that zone, what I've been telling you. I tell you, got a flag here, and I told you if it's breaking here, enter long, guys. Did it break? It's break here. You are in profit now, my friend. In that level where you are now, you are in profit, my friend. That was me being telling you, guys. I tell you are in a very stronger level. Look at it. Here it came, it touched in here. It give you a buying signal. But also we don't enter because of a level. Also we enter because of our indicator, guys. What our indicator saying? Let's see it. You be in here at the oversold area, guys. And I told you when it's breaking that flag here, enter long, guys. When it's break it here, we'll have you enter, my friend. Now at this time, we'll have you taking the profit, my friend, because look at our indicator, what it's saying, guys. What our indicator is saying, guys. You are at the overbought area, guys. Should you buy when you are at the overbought? No, my friend. That time also we're searching only for sell opportunity. Where is the price action, guys? Price action, you bring a trend line like that. It's very simple. Look at it. I bring it from that last low here to that one. That's a trend line, guys. Level, you are in a very stronger level and even next to the 200 moving average, guys. Now, if it came and breaking down here, that trend line also drawing here, that one, you enter short, my friend. Bitcoin is still going down, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So, that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the daily candle finishing, guys. Bye for now.